Thank you for downloading the calligraphy worksheets. I'm confident that it will help you get started on your script calligraphy journey. So let's get started on how to use them. The only thing that you're going to really need for this is pencil and paper. Let's start with the pencils. Simply the first one you can grab is a regular pencil, a 2B pencil. Make sure it's sharpened really, really well and has a good eraser on it, or you have a separate eraser to use. Or you can use the Papermate mechanical pencil. It's fairly inexpensive, but my favorite is the Draftomatic mechanical pencil, which runs I think around $12, $13. That's what I'll be using today. You'll also need paper. Translucent is best. So parchment tracing paper will do the trick, as well as some composition paper, marker paper. This one here is 100 pounds. But I'll be demonstrating with the 37-pound marker paper by Borden and Riley. We're going to take one sheet of that and place it over our worksheet or our exemplar. And the first one I'm using is the one that has directional arrows that show you which direction you should be tracing in. So place it over the examples. Make sure it's straight. Take your pencil. Nice comfortable grip on it. Please don't grip too tight. Do it very lightly. And then just begin tracing. But do it making sure that you're following the arrow directions. And so let's try this A. Starting at the bottom. We're going to curve up. See if I can get around so you can see it. There you go. And then downstroke. Not worried about thick or thin yet. We're going to do this all monoline. Let's try the B as well. Come down with a nice compound curve. Downward stroke, curve it under. Just follow, just trace. And we'll get comfortable with the shapes. That's all. I'm going to try another sheet as well. Okay, the next sheet doesn't have the directional arrows. So work the first one for a while until you're comfortable before moving on to this one. I'm going to do basically the same thing. I'm going to use the same sheet of paper just for demonstration purposes. And let's continue with the C. This time there are no directional arrows. So by the time you reach here, you already know the direction your pencil should be moving in. There you go. It's really just that simple. Now the third paper that we have is just blank guidelines. And with the blank guidelines, you're going to go ahead and you're going to write without placing the sample underneath your tracing paper. So you're going to reproduce this and just write directly on the sheet, or you can place the tracing paper over it as well. And you're still using pencil. We're not moving to pen and ink yet, or nib and pen, nib and ink. We just want to get the letter forms. Happy learning to everybody. Thank you again for downloading the worksheets. Please be sure to connect with me on Instagram and Facebook, and that's at ATL Calligrapher. And I'm excited to announce that I'm starting a Facebook group, Lettering Learners and Lovers, so you can also join me there.